there! I've got something amazing to share with you today. Have you ever wanted that glowing, youthful skin, but didn't want to spend a fortune on fancy serums? Well, I've got the perfect solution for you, a homemade collagen serum. This DIY serum is super easy to make and packed with ingredients that will help boost your skin's collagen production, making it look radiant and youthful. Plus, you know exactly what's going into it, so no hidden nasties. Here's what you'll need. 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of rosehip oil, 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil, 5 drops of lavender essential oil, 5 drops of frankincense essential oil. First, grab a small bowl and mix the aloe vera gel and rosehip oil together until they're well blended. Aloe vera is great for soothing the skin, while rosehip oil is packed with vitamins A and C, which are known to boost collagen. Next, add the vitamin E oil. This ingredient is fantastic for moisturizing and protecting your skin from damage. Stir it in until everything is nicely combined. Now, it's time to add the essential oils. Lavender essential oil helps to calm and heal the skin, while frankincense essential oil is known for its anti-aging properties. Add the drops to your mixture and stir well. Once everything is mixed together, pour your serum into a small, dark glass bottle to keep it fresh and potent. Make sure to store it in a cool, dark place. To use, simply apply a few drops to your face and neck after cleansing, both in the morning and at night. Gently massage it in using upward strokes. You'll start to notice your skin looking brighter and more youthful in no time. So, give this homemade collagen serum a try and let me know how it works for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome beauty tips and DIY recipes.